If you're stuck in a cave without food or water, the longer you hang on, the better your chances of being rescued. So, when you're unbearably hungry, can you eat a piece of your own flesh to stave off hunger? No, you can't. It might seem like losing a bit of flesh would reduce heat loss and provide some sustenance, but in reality, the energy conversion efficiency of eating your own flesh is low, and digesting food requires energy, so it's not worth it. Can you munch on your hair or nails to curb hunger? Nope, your body can't digest keratin. So, what's the plan? The best thing to do is lie down and rest, letting your body use its remaining energy efficiently. You'll still feel hungry, though. That's your brain signaling a need for more glucose. But there's another type of hunger that's not easy to notice. That's hidden hunger. Hidden hunger isn't just a survival issue. Even daily office workers can suffer from it. Hidden hunger means lacking some vital vitamins and key minerals the body needs. This results in hidden nutritional deficiencies. With the 996 work culture on the rise, many folks have jam-packed workdays. They often eat takeout, which is high in oil and salt. Their diet lacks variety in nutritional elements. They don't get enough vitamins and minerals. Also, pulling long hours and burning the midnight oil can deplete B vitamins, which are key for metabolizing carbs, fats, and proteins. So, not getting enough B vitamins can lead to weight gain. Jack Ma's blessing doesn't seem to be helping me at all. Also, a boring diet makes you fussier. You might avoid carrots or think egg yolks are too high in cholesterol. You might find animal organs unappetizing, leading to a gradual vitamin A deficiency, combined with long hours in front of screens. This can make your eyes feel dry and tired. If a female colleague keeps blinking at you, she might be admiring your charm. She might just be low on vitamin A. And when your boss leaves you feeling wiped out, it could be hidden hunger, not them to blame. So, it's crucial to keep up with your vitamins and minerals. Along with that, staying active is key. Fitness, running, and exercise are also ways to self-regulate, keeping yourself in top shape to tackle the challenges of work and life. Eat well, drink well, and say goodbye to hidden hunger.